Welcome back to Brain Hacks, your go-to destination for personal growth and self-improvement. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of building meaningful connections: how to earn the respect of others. Let's embark on this transformative journey to learn how to command respect from others. Building respect is a two-way street, and tip number 1 is to demonstrate self-respect. Believe in yourself and treat yourself with kindness. When you respect yourself, others are more likely to respect you too. Self-respect is the foundation of earning genuine respect from others. Now, let's explore the power of being a good listener. Listen attentively when others speak. Show empathy and genuinely care about their thoughts and feelings. People respect those who lend a caring ear and make them feel valued and understood. Moving on to tip number 2, staying true to your values is crucial. Stick to your principles, even in challenging times. Consistency in your actions based on your values earns you trust and respect from others. Your integrity speaks volumes about your character and earns the admiration of those around you. Furthermore, let's talk about showing empathy and compassion towards others. Display genuine care and understanding for their emotions and struggles. Empathy forms a deep connection and fosters respect between individuals. Compassion has the power to bring people together and nurture mutual respect. Number 3, being open to feedback is essential. Embrace constructive criticism and use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Welcoming feedback shows that you value personal improvement and are open to self-development. Accepting feedback gracefully earns you admiration and respect from others. Additionally, expressing appreciation and gratitude can go a long way in earning respect. Take the time to thank others for their contributions, kindness, and support. Showing gratitude creates a positive and respectful atmosphere in your interactions. A simple thank you can have a profound impact and foster a sense of respect and loyalty. Number 4, be reliable and keep your commitments. When you make a promise, make every effort to follow through. Reliability shows that you can be trusted, and it fosters respect and dependability in others' eyes. Being true to your word builds a reputation of integrity and earns admiration from those around you. Tip number 5, be supportive of others. Encourage and uplift those around you in their pursuits and achievements. Offer your help and be a source of inspiration for others to reach their goals. Supporting others shows your empathy and willingness to positively impact their lives. Cheering for others strengthens your connections and fosters mutual respect. Number 6, admit mistakes and take responsibility. When you make a wrong decision, own up to it and work towards making amends. Taking accountability shows maturity and earns respect from others. Owning up to mistakes builds trust and deepens connections with others. Number 7, practice empathy in conflicts. When disagreements arise, seek to understand the other person's perspective and emotions. Strive for resolution through empathy rather than escalating conflicts. Practicing empathy during conflicts fosters a compassionate and respectful environment for resolution. Building bridges through empathy strengthens relationships and earns admiration and respect from others. As we conclude this empowering journey on earning respect, remember that respect is both given and earned through our actions. Embrace these powerful tips and watch as you cultivate a reputation of respect and admiration. Thanks for watching. If you found our video informative and interesting, give it a thumb and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more like this.